Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my buddy Cody. He is diving into this crazy project car. He's basically building a GTM kit car. It's gonna look like a supercar, and he's gonna power it with a Tesla motor. It's gonna make about 530 horsepower, and we're supposed to get delivery of the car today, so I'm here to help him unload it. But if you don't know Cody, he is an IS guru. He actually built my car way back in the day before I became the owner of it. And I'm here picking up some parts. We got a wiring harness here and a bunch of other things I'm gonna be doing to my car. I'm gonna end up rewiring my car and stuff, but today, this video isn't about me or my car, it's about Cody and his car, and we're gonna take delivery of it. We're waiting on it to get here any minute, and we're gonna unload it from the truck, and it's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel down below and also in the top right corner so you guys can watch his videos. You need to watch him and subscribe to him because it's going to be epic. This build is gonna be unlike anything that's ever built before, so you guys gotta watch it. Oh, here comes the truck. All right, so there it is. The kit car is here. We got it on jack stands. So the body's on the chassis. It's all gonna come off. It's all super rough. It's gonna need body work and everything. You can see the seams here. But this is what you get when you order it, a kit car from Factory 5. It comes with 19 boxes. And this is everything. Now the fun can begin.
Yeah.
All right, what's your first step? I guess open up the boxes and take inventory of everything, but when you go to start putting this together, where do you start?
Oh, I started reading the manual.
Okay.
Step one is take it all apart. Like literally all apart. And then after that, the very first are these aluminum panels that are inside. So they're all put together with just like
self-tappers?
Self-tapping
Yep.
screws. So they've all got to come apart. The self-tappings come out and it all gets glued and riveted together.
Wow. So there won't be any screws holding it together? It's all rivets?
Rivets every 2 inches.
Oh, man.
Yeah. He was saying
Cool.
buying a fucking
Yeah.
rivet gun.
All right. Well, if you guys want to follow this build, again, I'll link his channel in the description below. You guys need to follow it. This is going to be wild. Here is the Tesla drive unit. And then here are the Chevy Volt batteries. There's 2 packs here, so this is 800 pounds of batteries. And what did you say the drive unit weighs? Like 300 pounds?
300 pounds for the drive unit.
Yeah, so about 1,100 pounds worth of drivetrain. It's gonna be wild. All right. Once again, make sure you follow Cody's channel. This is gonna be big. This is gonna be a huge deal.